Apple CarPlay got a redesign with iOS 26 and some really cool features we are going to talk about in this video. So firstly, let's talk about the new design. On the iPhone and on the iPad we've got the new glass look, which we have on Apple CarPlay too. And we got new options on the home screen wallpaper. We've got some new wallpapers to choose as background. And now we can customize the icons like we know on the iPhone and on the iPad. We can choose between the dark mode and choose if we want it always or auto. And we can choose the clear mode, where we have the clear app icons. And there we can choose on dark clear icons or auto. So if it's day outside, the icons are light, and when it's night outside, the icons are dark. I personally like the clear ones with the light mode the best, but for this video I'm going to turn it default because you can see it better on the camera. So in some cars, this bar right here is on this left side, but in my car it's on the bottom. And before the update there was only 3 apps here. Now there are 4 apps, which is better because you can access one more app while driving. So the biggest change and what I find the coolest is what we find when we swiped 2 times on the left, because we can see there are widgets, 2 stacks where we can swipe through so many widget options. And yeah, we have the calendar, we see what events we have, music and the clock, weather and smart home. You can locate smart home on the widget. You can put ChatGPT on the widget, which is really cool. And I'm going to show you now how you manage this widget and how you can change the order of the widget. And to edit these widgets, we are going to our iPhone, to settings and to general and to the car we are connected to, and there you can read widgets. And then you see the stacks, stack 1 and stack 2, and you can add widgets. And there are so many options to add. You can add ChatGPT, which is really cool because you can ask ChatGPT some things while driving. And yeah, you see there are so many apps you can add. Some smart home apps. Maybe when you have a smart home, you can add the smart home widgets too. So you have a lot of options on stack 2 too. You can make that how you want. And yeah, you can turn off smart rotate and you can turn off widget suggestions. And when you turn show wallpaper off, there is only a black screen right here. And I think it's really boring because yeah, I like the wallpaper better. So I'm going to turn this on. When somebody called you before, the call got full screen and you couldn't go to any other apps. Now the call is just small here on the bottom, and when you pick up the call, the bar goes away and you can see it on the left bottom here. And when you want to go to the call again and see everything, you can go on this little sign and see the whole call again. The Messages app got a new design too, because you can see the pinned chats right there, and I think it's better because you see the most important persons on the first side. So now let's talk about maps, because in some cars there is now working pinch to zoom, but in my car unfortunately not. But there are some other cool things that work in my car too. And now Maps remembers your daily routes, like picking up your kids, picking up a coffee and going to work after this, and gives you route suggestions. And if there are delays on the route, Maps will remind you to drive earlier so you get there on time. And if there is an accident or a construction, you can report it right here, and there are some new options, more options than before, for crash, traffic, road work, hazard, or that the road is closed. So that everyone who drives with Apple CarPlay got the report on time and can change the route. And all the music apps got a redesign too. It is now a full app where you can see what you recently played, your top picks. You can see everything. You can get recommendations, you can see what's new, radio, your library. And when you start a song, you can click here and you see the song you're now playing. The same on the Spotify app and on the YouTube Music app. The app before was so little, not many options, but now you have everything here on the screen. And the same on the Podcasts app, you have a lot of options. And when you play a podcast, you can change how fast the podcast will go, like slower or faster if you want to hear it faster or slower. And now you can see live activities here. You can see when the flight of your friend arrives, football, games, and all the other live activities you can see on your iPhone will be there too. These are all the new Apple CarPlay features. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite one, and subscribe the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and we are going to see us in the next videos. Bye!